DJI Mini 5 is expected to be the next most anticipated drone from the company, and the hype for this compact yet powerful drone never seems to end. Though DJI now offers an even more compact palm-sized flyer called the Neo, it is more like a personal vlogging drone that can capture your daily commuting adventures. Whereas if you want to fly higher and want to experience the actual essence of aerial photography, the DJI Mini series is the way to go. In our video today, we will have a brief discussion about the upcoming DJI Mini 5, its expected features, and also when DJI might launch it. So, without further delay, let's jump into the video. DJI fans expect to see some groundbreaking upgrades with the upcoming DJI Mini 5 series. But the reality is that DJI can't really pull off many significant upgrades with the Mini 5. And let me explain why. Well, whether it's a larger sensor or a bigger battery capacity, both would force DJI to break the 250-gram weight limit. And we all know DJI Mini drones are mostly popular for being under 250 grams, as it does not require any FAA license to fly in the US. So, it looks like the main selling point of the DJI Mini series is turning out to be the biggest barrier for itself. But this won't stop DJI from breaking the limits. Without making the DJI Mini 5 heavier than 250 grams, we can expect quite some upgrades that would enhance the overall flying experience. And it has to start with the camera. Based on some popular drone forums, many drone enthusiasts believe that the upcoming Mini 5 Pro will feature a 1-inch larger sensor, which will surely be a major upgrade compared to the current 1x1.3-inch sensor from the Mini 4 Pro. A larger sensor will significantly improve the overall image quality and offer sharper details. You will also be able to capture great landscapes even in low light conditions, as the larger sensor will have more space for lights. Now, a lot of you might also expect a bump in resolution, but that's less likely to happen. As for the release date, DJI takes around just about a year for the research and development of its Mini series. And we have also seen the Mini 4 Pro getting launched a year after its predecessor was introduced. So, based on the speculations, the Mini 5 is expected to be launched in November this year. But we do have some more expectations from the upcoming Mini 5 Pro. The AI tracking needs to be better so that it can track running vehicles more accurately and for longer period of time. Also, the inclusion of 5G connectivity is a must-needed upgrade for better controlling of the drone and high-resolution live transmission. But apart from these, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is more likely to have an incremental upgrade over its predecessor. And the bigger sensor with better dynamic range and low light performance with the current 40 minutes of flight time would make it an overall perfect beginner drone for sure. What are your expectations for the DJI Mini 5? Throw all your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news.